A is for Atlantic Spadefish, striped black and white. Striped black and white. B is for banded Sea Krait, slithering in sight. Slithering in sight. C is for Cuttlefish, clever and bright. D is for Dusky Dolphin, leaping in delight. Splash, splash, come explore. So many creatures near the shore, big and small, fast or slow. Let's dive in and watch them go. E is for eagle ray, soaring with ease. F is for fang-toothed fish, deep in the seas. G is for giant trevally, silver and strong. H is for hammerhead shark, wide and long. Splash, splash, come explore. So many creatures near the shore. Some have shells and some have fins. Let's jump in and swim with them. I is for Indian threadfin, silver and sleek. J is for jellyfish with tentacles unique. K is for kelp crab, hiding in weeds. L is for lace coral, swaying with ease. M is for mandarin fish, color so bright. N is for needlefish, leaping in flight. O is for olive sea snake, gliding so fast. P is for porcupine fish, puffing up fast. Splash, splash, come explore. So many creatures near the shore, colors flashing, fins so free. Let's explore the deep blue sea. Q is for queen angelfish, yellow and blue. R is for ribbon eel, shining through. S is for spotted drum, dancing with grace. T is for tiger cowrie, with a smooth spotted face. U is for urchin, spiky and round. V is for vermeil snapper, where can it be found? W is for whale shark, gentle and grand. X is for xenocarcinus crab, tiny and tan. Y is for yellow boxfish, cube-shaped and neat. Z is for zebra lionfish, with stripes that compete. That's our ocean, a down to Z. So many wonders beneath the sea. Splash, splash, come explore. So many creatures near the shore. From the waves down to the deep, sing along and take a leap.